guys, today we're checking out these Calvan drive extension wrenches. Basically, you put a ratchet on one end and turn it, and then the other end turns, letting you reach into a spot where you don't have enough room to swing a ratchet. This is kind of an alternative to the more expensive Tite-Reach brand, which for the metal version runs around 80 bucks. The Calvan is about half the price, and you get a set of 5 extensions. While the Tite-Reach is strictly for sockets only, the Calvans come in a set of dedicated wrench sizes from 10 to 15 millimeter, skipping 11. Eliminating the socket keeps the wrench as low profile as possible. However, there is a socket adapter that fits into the 13 millimeter wrench and lets you use any 3/8 drive socket on it. There is quite a bit of drag in the mechanism. I don't even have to hold the socket to get it to ratchet. It just feels, I don't know, gritty. It's easy to rotate, but it's not super smooth, and I doubt it can handle too much torque. The Tite-Reach version is rated for use with power drivers, but Calvan makes no such claim for theirs, and I cannot find any specs at all saying how much torque these are rated for, so I would likely reserve these for more light-duty applications. Unlike the Tite-Reach, which uses a chain to transfer the energy, the Calvans use a series of rotating gears pinned inside the housing. This design was invented by a Jerry Rowell back in 2008. I think it's an interesting design. The wrenches themselves are just sheet metal housings with the gears riveted inside, and a piece of color-coded heat-shrink tubing added to give you a little grip. There is laser-etched size markings near each of the wrench heads, but you can barely make it out, and on some of the wrenches the grip part covers up the marking. This leads to another negative. All of the wrench bodies are the same size. So the 10 millimeter wrench has the same size head as the 15 millimeter one. If you compare this to a 10 millimeter gear wrench, the head looks frickin' huge. You'd better have plenty of open space around the bolt if you want to fit one of these in there. Because of that, I've only ever used the 13 millimeter one with the socket adapter. The other 4 wrenches in the set just sit in the case, unused. They're also kinda short, at 6 inches compared to the Tite-Reach, which is 11 inches. I know they say size doesn't matter, but who wouldn't want to double their length? I wonder. Yeah, look at that. You can chain 2 of these together and wrench around corners. Interesting. The problem here is that you have to use the socket adapter to couple the 2 extensions, so you're limited to the dedicated oversized wrench head on the fastener end. And then you can't do this with the 13 millimeter one, since that's the only one that works with the socket adapter. I really wish they just sold this as a single extension with the socket adapter. Then you could double them up and still be able to use a socket. And it's one of those once-in-a-blue-moon type of tools. This did save me one time on a brake booster bolt where there was no way to get to it without tearing up the whole dashboard. So even if I never use these again, it was still worth it just to get out of that one jam. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more unusual tools. See you later. Bye.